Our Christmas party for kids and our Christmas nativity is going to be happening this Christmas, and we can't wait. So if you have a child that is in G-Force or Kid Shape, then we want you to grab a letter from the welcome desk and make sure you get all the details and sign up your child to be a part of it all. Or you can head to the website xlchurch.org.uk/kids@Christmas for all the info there. We can't wait to see them perform. Guys, Christmas is coming. Yes, get out of your denial. It's coming, and it's coming fast. And we've got so much happening here at XL Church for this season. So we've got the Christmas Fest, which is coming. We've got all our Christmas services across that weekend. And we've got a New Year's Eve service happening as well. So there's going to be lots happening. So you can head to our website to get all the information. Or you can pick up one of these flyers with all the dates on of everything that's going on, and you can pass these on to your friends. So take a couple, pass them on to your friends. We want to create an opportunity this Christmas for everyone to hear the gospel message. That is what it's really about. So why don't you get one of these flyers, find out the information at www.xlchurch.org.uk/Christmas, and you can get all the information and the dates on there. It's going to be a great one.
That is merely hanging. So open the closet and
We've recently shared at XL Church about our plans for Mission 25. Yes, it's so exciting. We've got 6 opportunities for everyone to get involved in here at church, in the local community, nationally in the UK, and even abroad in Spain and Uganda with the Watoto's Children's Choir. So guys, there's lots for you to sign up for. So why don't you head to our website, sign up there with your interest in those opportunities that we've got out there. We want to get as many people involved in this, and we want to make a difference for Jesus with the gospel. So get involved, guys, sign up with your interest, and we can't wait to do Mission 25 together. Just a reminder that this Wednesday there's no prayer and Bible study and there's no Connect groups, and it's because we have our AGM meeting happening this week. That's our annual general meeting. So for those of you that are partners, you'll have received an email with all the details. So you're the people that need to come to that meeting. Anyone else, have a night off. And have a great week, guys. We'll see you next week.